I lost everything at 25. Broke, bankrupt, and desperate. Meet Sarah, 28, earning $45K a year, barely scraping by. She lived paycheck to paycheck, with no savings and no hope. Sarah's story isn't unique. 64% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency. She worked hard, but her money seemed to vanish. Rent, utilities, and groceries sucked up her entire paycheck. She had nothing left for savings, let alone investing. The average American saves just 7.5% of their income. Sarah saved nothing. 1 in 5 Americans have no savings account. Sarah was one of them. She thought investing was for the rich, not for someone like her. But she was desperate for change, so she started researching. She stumbled upon a shocking fact: investing just $500 a month can make you a millionaire in 30 years. Sarah was skeptical, but she decided to try. She set up an automatic transfer of $500 from her checking account to a brokerage account. She chose a low-cost index fund, with a 0.05% fee, and forgot about it. 45% of Americans don't know their investment fees. Sarah did her homework. A year went by, and Sarah had invested $6,000. She had earned a modest 4% return, adding $240 to her account. It wasn't life-changing, but it was a start. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% per year over the past 50 years. Sarah was hoping for similar returns. 2 years in, Sarah's investment had grown to $12,000. She had earned a total return of 8%, adding $960 to her account. She was starting to see the power of compound interest. 71% of millennials are not investing. Sarah was ahead of the curve. 5 years in, Sarah's investment had ballooned to $35,000. She had earned a total return of 12%, adding $7,200 to her account. She was amazed at how much her money had grown. The average stock market return is 7 to 8% per year. Sarah was beating the average. 10 years in, Sarah's investment had skyrocketed to $120,000. She had earned a total return of 15%, adding $50,000 to her account. She was stunned. She had never seen that kind of money in her life. 80% of millionaires are self-made. Sarah was on her way. Sarah's story is shocking, but it's not unique. Anyone can replicate her success by investing just $500 a month. You can start today with a brokerage account and a low-cost index fund. The key is to be consistent and patient. Compound interest is a powerful force. It can turn small investments into life-changing wealth. You can apply the same strategy by investing just $500 a month. It's not a lot of money, but it can add up over time. The average American spends $1,300 per year on coffee. You can invest that money instead. Subscribe to our channel, WealthWise AI, for more stories like Sarah's, and start building your own wealth today.